I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear me, but it's raining cats and dogs. Hang on a second. Look at this. This is my tarp. Got water running everywhere. My hammock's not bad, but look at this fucking rain. Excuse me, rain. Maybe this one won't hit YouTube. I don't even know if you can hear me. But look at that. These drops are the size of silver dollars, man. It's bright and sunny over there. It's been doing this for the last, I would say, probably 15-20 minutes, just as hard as it can go. And yes, I'm hot, but this weather right here, I don't mind it because it cools everything off. But yeah, definitely getting the full treatment. Extreme heat. Last night it cooled off pretty good. I actually had to get a small cover. I didn't use a sleeping bag. Mosquitoes wasn't too bad. Dang. Getting bad. Yeah, the mosquitoes about, I don't know, about 20 minutes after the sun fully went down, they were bad for a little bit. Fired up thermocell, run them off after I didn't see any more, turned it off. Slept pretty good. This hammock I still ain't too sure about. It's a little weird, but I'll get more of that later. Oh Lord, water's coming in. All right, let me get you back to the rain. There you go. That's what you got. All right, like, share, subscribe. Bush Country Outdoors. We'll see you later. We gone.